Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will be seeing how we can use the clear method to uh, clear the input what we have given. So let me just show you. So this is the, let's say this is one of the website where is the URL, this login page is available. We have a username field where we have to enter the username admin and a password field where we can enter your password. Now you have entered this, but how you will be clearing this? Now you have to clear this. How you do this? So we will be looking this thing in this particular video, and there might be any situation that fields are also pre-populated fields might be there. Once you land to this page, you might have that you are having pre-populated fields, but once you come and when you use guys, when you use the send keys method, and if this is a pre-populated and you will be using a send keys method, so if you have send keys and you are sending a string as hello, so it will do like this. So uh, this is not your actual input because admin was already there and you just input it, so it got appended. So first what you have to do, we have to clear it. And if you enter something and you want to clear it, then you have to clear it. So how we can do, let's get back to our Eclipse and we will see. So first I will be creating a class. I will name it as a clear method demo as my class, public static void main string array args, and I will copy the first two lines that will remain same because here we will be initializing our driver and setting up the property for the Chrome driver. Now on which website you want to navigate, this is my website. I will copy the URL, paste it here. Now driver dot find element by, I have to enter the username. I'll show you by first entering the username. Okay, this is, let me inspect it correctly. So this is my username having ID as a text username. So okay, I can use it by dot ID and I will pass my ID over this locator. Now I will send what, admin. Okay, now this will send admin as an input to this as admin. Okay, with that I will be sending to this password field also. What I will take the id as text password driver dot find element by dot id is this, and I will be entering the password as admin123 or whatever you want to enter this. Now these two steps will input in the field. I will place one thread dot, sorry guys, thread dot sleep. Okay, for 3 seconds to observe and see. Let me just add a throws declaration. Now, now what I want is I want to clear this. I want to clear it. How can I do it? I can do it using the same steps. First, I have to find this driver dot find element by this username, and I have a method. See this clear method. This method I have to use. So this will clear the text what is being input in my previous step from the let me write, this will clear the input text from username field after 3 seconds because we have we have a thread dot slip over here. Now I will wait for another. What's happening? Okay, I will wait for another 2 seconds, let's say, and this time I will clear the password field. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I will clear. Now let me show this to you. I will run it as a Java application. My Chrome driver is initializing. Okay. Got my Chrome driver. It is navigating to the login page. It entered the username password, waiting for 3 seconds, cleared, waiting for another 2 seconds, clear. So this is how, guys, we use this, what you say is a clear method. Okay. And one more thing, guys, let me show you. Let's say I have entered this. Now what I'm doing is I am this sending keys admin pending text, and with same with password I will do. Let me do it and I will explain this thing to you guys. Just one thing, one appending text. Okay, let me have this thing below only. I will show you the difference. Let me put the thread dot sleep for let's say 6 seconds, and I'll show you. 1 second, guys. Okay, so let me just walk you through with the code. So what I'm doing here, for the username I am entering admin. For the password field I am entering 123. This will be acting as your, let's say these are your pre-populated data, and on the pre-populated data you are, guys, you are trying to enter the inputs. For the username you are trying to add appending text, and for the password also you are trying to end appending text as an input. But since in our previous step we already have a pre-populated data over here, what will happen, let's see. Okay, I'm running it as a Java application. Okay, where enjoying line number 19. Okay, run it as a Java application. So now you guys will observe how if there is any pre-populated data. So navigate to the login page, we enter the username password. Now waiting for this another 6 seconds, and I will be at see admin appending text and password is appending text. Now we are clearing it and password we are clearing it. So this is one of the example. Like if let's say if you are having form with already pre-populated data, so when you are guys are sending entering the text using send keys method, then it is not clearing this or overwriting this, it's just appending with this only. So that's why we use, first we have to use dot clear method, so that whatever the uh, text has already been there, it should clear up. Then only we have to enter our exact text. So I hope this session is clear. And guys, please do like and subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comments if there is any feedback or suggestion you might have. Thank you very much.